All right, in this problem, we're looking at the second one on homework 90. It says, write an inequality. So the sum of a number and a number increased by 15 is a maximum of 28. Okay, so now I wrote two answer choices here. Very often these are multiple choice questions. And what it comes down to is trying to understand if a maximum of 28. This is the maximum is the one that's going to tell us it's either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Maximum is the trick. So maximum and at most mean the same thing. Or sometimes they say not more than. That's another one too. Maybe I'll put that in here. Not more than. Not more than. Right, that's another version of this. They're all less than or equal to. Because if you can imagine, so, and it sounds wrong, right? Not more than, maximum, at most. They all sound like they have the, well, they all have the word that sounds big in it, but it really means everything smaller than that and including that. So that's what this is. We want that one. So right away from looking at this, when the student sees a maximum, if they see their answer choices and there's two that are identical and one has that, one has this, they know that this one is the one that is wrong. Okay, so it's not greater than. It sounds like it, but it's not. So the answer is most definitely this one. Now the other way, the way you do this is you're looking at the sum. Okay, so the sum means you're going to add the next two things together. Really, we might even put parentheses here, like this. So it's a sum of what? Okay, we're talking about this plus n. And then it's the next two things. A number, so that's this n. And, so this is the and. So the sum of a number and a number increased by 15. So in parentheses here we have a number increased by 15. And is a maximum of 28. So this one really isn't that hard, but a lot of times students are afraid of these, and which makes them very hard. So if they just do a whole bunch of them in a row, it should increase their ability to do them correctly. And at the very least, I'd say do them all, and then when the student hands them to me, this will be something that I look at to see how they're doing with them. But remember the trick, not more than, maximum, at most. They all sound big, but they're really actually less than or equal to, and at least is really greater than or equal to. This isn't on this problem, but they kind of go together.